My name is Ryan Jackson. Welcome to Meditations. One of the things that my students often complain about when it comes to meditating is their minds, right? They just cannot turn off the thoughts. It just keeps going and going and going. And trust me, I've been meditating for a very long time, and it still happens for me too. The difference is that unlike some of my students, I don't consider myself a failure because my mind is still going. I understand that I can't stop my mind. It's not meant to be stopped. There's two problems that my students often encounter. One, they judge the thoughts that are occurring. They don't like this thought. It reminds them of this. They feel angry, upset, and so they don't want to have this thought. They think it shouldn't be. Second is that they try to stop the thoughts themselves. They think that if in fact I am thinking, then I'm not meditating, but that's not true. Think of it like the waves crashing against the shore. They're coming in and they're coming out. We don't try to stop the waves crashing against the shore because we can't. We know that it's impossible. But if we're getting tired of being thrown about by the waves, what we do is take a step back, and we take a step back, and we observe the waves crashing against the shore. And ironically, as we take a step back, now the waves crashing becomes meditation, becomes meditative. It becomes even enjoyable. We see them for what they are. They come and they go, but they're no longer impacting us. And that's the process that we take with our meditation. As our thoughts occur and they appear to us, we don't judge them. We don't hope that they go away. We simply allow them to come and go, to come and go. That's the meditation practice. So I challenge you today to try one thing, that as you have a negative thought, a thought that feels distressing, you observe it and you label it. You say, I notice a thought about this. Don't say that I am having this thought. That creates too much of an association. Now you are tied to this thought. You're not the thought. You're observing to this thought. I notice this thought about my ex. I notice this thought about my traffic ticket. I'm observing this thought about what I'm going to eat. And as you continue to do that, you create a little bit more distance between you and the thought that you're having. I hope that's helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.